finally in the car. I'm having a girls' day finally, you guys. I've been a mom literally for like almost 6 years now, and I can't even remember the last time I had a girls' day. And I mean a day with me, just out with my girlfriends, not with my husband, not with the family, like literally out with friends. It's been years, so I'm really excited to go out today. We're going to the pumpkin patch. We're gonna do some photos, take some pictures, film some videos. This should be fun. I'm nervous because I'm actually like pretty shy, but I'm excited to be out. I'm running a little bit late. I'm supposed to get there at 2, and with the traffic I'm gonna get there at like 2:20, so I hope that's not a problem. They know that I live the farthest from everybody, so hopefully they understand, but I'm super excited. And yeah, currently in the car. We go on the 5 freeway. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm almost here. This is low-key mission. Look how beautiful this is right here. Is this a part of, wait, I don't know. I'm like gonna be there in 4 minutes. I've never been here before. This is like, I'm so freaking nervous. OMG. Okay, we're here. Oh, I'm here. It's a pumpkin patch. Look at this thing, it's like huge. Okay, so here at the pumpkin patch, you guys can see in the back. This pumpkin patch is like freaking humongous. I don't know what we're gonna do next. Maybe get on a wagon or something, but we'll see. This, you guys, this is dope. You guys, look at the line to get out.
And also, there's like less kids there. Really full. Oh my goodness, there's less kids there. I like this now. I like.
Oh my god, this. See the back, there's like this flower. Super cute.
No, I didn't. Wait, I literally didn't know. Where did they find
We'll see how this ride is, you guys. We're about to go on the wagon. We're going on the wagon, y'all. Here we go. currently back home with my family. I had a really fun, great day. I met a lot of new friends and I just had a great time. I needed a girls' day out. It was a long time coming, especially being a mom of two. I don't get many days to myself, completely to myself. I don't get many days out alone, so I was really thankful that I was able to go out, and my husband was on daddy duty with the kids, and I just had a great time, you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. I really didn't show all the girls in my vlog because I wasn't sure if they wanted to be in it, but I did share some clips from my Instagram stories with the ladies. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I will leave them in the vlog as well. But you guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys later.